Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. It's pretty good drawing and they did a pretty good job. But they want the arrow to look like this, and I did it. But they're using, I want to say it's my trick of doing this. But if you look, this is a group of 13 objects. This is one curve on one layer. So this can be done. This cannot be done. With that said, you can do it. And if you haven't ever watched to how to do this with the intersect tool, you draw a rectangle. You got to make sure you get pretty much all your blue. And then you select your rectangle and then shift select the blue and then go intersect. And then we're going to nudge that out of the way. And I didn't really do a good job. I really probably should have got the whole arrow. So let's just try that again. So select the box, shift select the arrow, intersect. I think it would have worked either way. Now take away your box, put the arrow, well, all we have to do is probably take this one and go to object order front of page and then just put it back. And now the arrow looks like it's going through that box. That's because this is a curve. You can't do it on this one, but you can. So take your arrow and left click, right click, and just draw you some imaginary lines, and they will snap to, if you have snap to object on, they'll snap to that intersection. So you're going to get a perfect line. And you know what? Maybe don't even need the lines. Let's take that line away and just see if it does it. If it won't fill. Yeah, see, it won't go past there anyway because there's another line. And then just fill all that in. Now, I would always maybe try to grab that line and move that out of the way. And that's probably simple enough. I would actually, to be on the safe side, I would nudge this out of the way and select all that and go up to object and combine it. Whoop, a lot of times that doesn't work. Now I'd even play it maybe even safer. Since that combine didn't work, we could do this right here. We could select it all and you could left click. Let's right click in red and take away these single lines. And then it'll be one solid color and there won't be any thing to happen to it, in case there was some white shadowing line. And there you have an arrow just by, thinking about another way. Think outside the box. Haha. Anyway, I love doing the intersect tool, but in some cases, and it looks like he's used some interactive fill tool and different colors. He did a good job on the box. I don't know what this is for. And, just his, I on the first time I did it, to make sure I could do it, I used a thinner arrow, which I think was his. Anyway, I hope that answers his question, and thank you for watching.